Here's how to install the ERA100 corner mount. First, let's check the included accessories. 2 wall anchors, 2 wall screws, 1 speaker screw, 2 screw covers, and an Allen wrench. Here are the tools needed for this job. Now, let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the spirit level to check the wall mount's alignment. Then mark the screw holes as preparations for drilling. Here's how to drill on a drywall. Use 5/16 inch drywall drill bits with 1 3/8 inches drill depth, marked by tape. Then drill the holes, stopping at the marked depth. After drilling, insert the wall anchors to support the wall screws. Now let's move on to drilling on wood stud plyboard. Use a 1/8 inch wood drill bit with a drill depth of 1 3/4 inch, marked by tape. Start drilling the holes, stopping at the marked depth. No wall anchors are needed for this, as the wood studs will serve as support for the wall screws. Lastly, this is how to drill on a concrete wall. For this one, we'll use a 5/16 inch masonry drill bit with 1 3/8 inches drill depth. Drill the wall to the marked depth. And like with the drywall, we'll need to insert the wall anchors to support the wall screws. Now let's proceed with attaching the speaker to the wall mount in an upright position. First, place the power cable in position on the wall mount. Next, secure the wall mount to the wall with the provided wall screws. Then, cover the wall screws with the provided screw caps. Attach the speaker to the power cable, then put it on top of the wall mount. You can rotate the speaker at this point to your preferred angle. Lastly, lock the speaker in place using the provided speaker screw. You can also install the wall mount upside down. Here's how. Start by securing the wall mount upside down with the provided wall screws. Next, cover the wall screws with the provided screw caps, then attach the speaker to the power cable. Then rotate the speaker to your preferred angle. Lastly, lock the speaker in place using the provided screw. And you're done.